Okay guys, I'm back. Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you. This video is going to be a vlog of me prepping for my vacation. I leave to go to Tulum, Mexico. Woo! I think I finally announced it. I don't know if I ever said it yet, but I leave to go to Tulum, Mexico in 3 days. I have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then I'm going. So it's Friday afternoon. I've already taken out my braids, as you have probably seen from my previous videos. I had those braids. I do those braids like the entire summer as a protective style because it's so easy, and I did it all throughout quarantine as well. I did it all this past academic year because who was I seeing on campus? Absolutely nobody. So I didn't really care that my hair was in like those little mini braids, and it definitely, if you guys can tell, has helped my hair grow a whole lot. Like I literally only combed out the braids, and this is what my hair looks like. I will show you guys the back. I have layers, but it was very unintentional. The middle of my hair broke off, and now here we are. So that's the back of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but this is what we're working with. I'm going to deep condition, and then I'm going to rinse it out in the shower, shampoo, condition, and then I'm going to come back when I'm actually styling my hair. I do my own hair by myself, and I don't put any weave, attachment, extensions, anything like that in my hair. Whatever you see on my head, it's on mine. Mama made it, and I work it, okay? But if you're new here and you haven't seen my face before, hey, my name is Love. I love you guys will stick around, subscribe down below, and join the fam. We are super chill and fun over here, and I love you guys to be a part of us. Without further ado, we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. So like I said, this is what we're starting with. So I'm just going to be using my mister to dampen my hair just a little bit, and then I'm going to be literally just putting in regular conditioner into my hair. I don't know why, but this system just works for me. I do this at least once or twice a month, because if I have the braids in, those braids last like at least 6 weeks, so I literally only wash my hair like once a month. But if I am styling my hair a lot and my hair is out, I try to do this at least twice a month. So I just use regular conditioner. Any conditioner I have laying around in my house is what I use. Like, so don't go thinking this is what I use all the time. It's not. It changes every single time I do this. And then I have coconut oil, regular coconut oil. I use this on my roots and focus this on the ends of my hair, so the newest and the oldest parts of my hair, and I just mix this together with the deep conditioner, and it does its thing. And then of course I have a little shower cap that I'm going to be using. My hair is already super detangled, which is going to make this wash day so much easier, but we're gonna go ahead and get started because my leg is falling asleep and I want to get my hair done as quickly as possible so I can relax. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all, I'm back. My hair is washed and I showered. My eyes are clearly very red. This happens every single time I wash my hair. Like, I just cannot help but get stuff in my eyes, and my eyes are very sensitive, hence the redness. My hair is very wet, but it is still drying. So the style I'm going for, oh, this is so wet. Okay, like, yeah, but the style I'm going for this trip, I actually think I have something of it like similar saved on my phone. Not sure, to be honest, because I have been checking on Pinterest for like natural hairstyles to do for vacation, and the most popular natural hairstyle that I've been seeing right now is everyone doing half braided, so like this much, or like literally from here, and that half is cornrowed all the way down, and then the back is either single braids, like box braids in the back, or leave out with curly hair. I already have curly hair and I know how to cornrow my own hair, and like I said earlier, I don't add anything to my hair. My hair is a lot more tamed since it's been sitting in that towel for like the past 10 minutes. My curls in the front are a lot looser, so I will not be blow drying my hair for this, just because I'm only using the front of my hair and it's already loose. Like, if I comb through this once, it will already look like it's blow dried, so that's fine. But this is what the aftermath of my washed hair looks like. My curls are back. It's definitely in and around the same length, but once product is, I mean, it's in and around the same length as if it were a little bit poofier. Definitely sits on my shoulders, but once there's product in it, it definitely gets a lot shorter because of shrinkage. Shrinkage is a bitch, we all knew that. So usually my hair has a natural middle part. Usually I just follow my middle part and then I part down the sides like this, but when I'm braiding today, I will not be cornrowing by following this middle part. I'm actually going to put a braid down the center of my head, and I think that's just going to make this look a little bit different, so that I can use the center braid to, like, you know, do cornrows going all the way down, instead of straight back cornrows. I'm going to try and do my own little design. I always find a way. So I just need to part my hair and then put the rest of the half back, because I'm not putting the gel in my hair until I'm actually on vacation, just because it's just going to be giving 2-day, 3-day, 5-day old hair vibes, and I want my hair to look as fresh as possible for when I'm there. But the only reason why I'm cornrowing my hair now is because I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow, which I will be taking you guys along for that as well, but I just can't braid with nails on. So, well, braid as good as I would like with nails on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I also have my laptop down here to watch Love is Blind. My foot is already falling asleep, so that is not good. But I'm gonna try and move as fast as I can because I want to get back in bed. I'm tired. I've been doing stuff ever since I woke up this afternoon. So yeah. And only products I'm using is jam, because this is all I use when I braid my hair, and then my edge control, just so that I can make my edges look good. I'm gonna try and make these cornrows as small as possible. Sorry I've been talking so long, but I'm gonna try and make these cornrows as small as possible so that they can stay as neat as possible while I'm on vacation. So let's get into it. Alright, so I wanted to come back after I had some stuff done. So I did the braid down the middle, and then I did the 2 braids on the side going towards my face. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm gonna put beads on the ends of this, like, to try and help it like be held down, because obviously right now it's being wonky. length check of my side pieces is past my shoulders, which is really good. But I'm gonna figure out how I want to style the sides, and I'm gonna be doing both braids at the same time to help myself out. Y'all, hair is motherfucking slayed, okay? And that's on what? Purr. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I'm about to head into my nail appointment now. I'm getting my acrylics and I'm getting a pedicure done, so I will take you guys along with me as part of my routine for getting prepared for my vacation. Real quickly, y'all, before my camera dies, my nail tech really did the damn thing. Look at it. It's exactly what I wanted. I'll show you the picture on this side of what I wanted, or this side, and I literally got exactly what I wanted. I literally made up my own design last night and she executed it so well, and I'm excited. Now I'm gonna go get food, but I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm getting my wax done. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I completely forgot to vlog my wax experience because I was running late because I was finishing moving my stuff over. So yeah, now I'm packing. My bed is a disaster. But my friend is here. Hi. This is Cynthia. You guys have seen her before, but she's helping me pack. This is the maybe pile that's sitting next to her. Those are stuff that needs to be tried on. But yeah, we're trying to figure out my outfits because I did not have the time to do any of this. We already ordered our Lyft for the trip, scheduled to pick us up between 3:30 and 3:50 a.m., which is perfect. But yeah, so I'm just trying some stuff on. I definitely have some outfits, but I'm gonna come back when we have more concrete decisions. All right, y'all, so like I said earlier, I completely forgot to vlog my wax, but I will show you. Like, armpits are super clear and clean. I also got my stomach wax. I can show you guys that a little bit. 1 second. I waxed my stomach too. It's very, very smooth. Then the last thing that I waxed it was my vag, my Brazilian wax. So obviously I can't show you guys that, but yeah, now it's time to get on with packing and everything, and then I will come back later on to end the vlog. So I completely forgot to finish vlogging myself packing. So I'm just going to end off the video here, and then I will pick up this vlog once we are heading out in the morning for Tulum, and I'll make that a whole separate travel vlog so you guys will be able to see the entire week that I spend in Tulum, and hopefully it'll be a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little travel vlog prep with me, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know if you guys liked it. Also leave me some comments and video requests down below because I would love to film those for you guys. And last but not least, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe down below and join the fam because we are super chill and fun here, and I'd love for you guys to be a part of us. But without further ado, peace, dudes.